An amazing hidden feature has been added to Motorola Moto G85 5G with the Android 16 update. If you haven't updated your phone yet, make sure to install the Android 16 update first. In this video, I will show you how to use the new Modes feature. This feature helps you quickly change your phone settings based on your activity and avoid unnecessary distractions. So let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Modes. Now here you can see different options like Do Not Disturb mode, Driving mode and Sleeping mode. You can also create your own custom mode by tapping on Create mode. Simply select any mode and customize it according to your needs. That's it. This is one of the most useful features added with the Android 16 update on Motorola Moto G85 5G. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.